Okay, so I'm not one for doing videos, so I'm not really set up for them, so we will do the best we can. So what you need is a doily, a coffee filter, a doily preferably the size of the coffee filter, doily, coffee filter, glue, whatever kind of glue that you want, and that's it for now. We're going to add some color to it later. Okay, so the first thing you do, and you can do this any way you want to. You can use your glue any way you want to. The best way I've seen how to do it was just like this. I just go around it with this glue. I like the purple because it'll go away. It'll dry clear, but it lets me see that I have got most everything covered. But this was the easiest way that I found to do it, and it's not exactly easy. If you can see, it's not exactly easy at all. Okay, and then you just take your paper coffee filter and you put it as best you can over it, and then kind of like go out from the center, start in the center and go out and just smush, 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 smush. I'm sounding too much like Pam now. Smush, 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 smush. Okay, we got it all smushed down. And that will, all this purple, that'll go away. It'll go clear. So that's what it looks like. You got your filter on that side and your coffee filter on this side and your doily on this side. Okay, next thing you do to make the envelope is come in a little ways on this side, come in a little ways on this side, and then take this and go up. Okay, and what I do is I take this, and I hope I'm in screen, and I just glue the edges, just the edges of this and this. So you just glue those edges, and you take it up and smush, 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 smush. Okay, and then now the big part is take this part and flip over, and there you have an envelope. Okay, there's an envelope. And if you want to add color to it like I did, you just take your your thing while it's open like this. Just take your color, and that's all I did. About like I did the glue. I just took my color and just you know, just like this. And I'm going to make a second one. I'm going to show you how to make the large one too. Since I'm here, I might as well get it all done at once. So you just get, see how pretty that makes it? I love the aged mahogany. I've always loved cherry wood. I've always thought it was like the most beautiful wood out there. So you've got this one, and you can, you know, you can come back, even with it done, you can come back and highlight it on the edges, you know, like that. You can come back and highlight it like that. So, yeah, see, pretty. And you can add like your stickers here, or some lace, or a button. A button is real cute right here. You got the back. If you don't stick the back down, you can always put something on the back of it. I stick the back down usually in my junk journal. Okay, so the second one, we do the same thing. We glue it as fast as you can. You're almost in a race. I can hear my dog snoring behind me. I don't know if y'all can hear her snoring, but she is snoring away. Just get it glued, 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 glued. All right, get your doily and place it down. Go from the center out, because you don't want to, you know, you try not to have too many things. And then this is where this comes in. You just go ahead and go over that coffee filter with your color. I like a little color. All right, now for this one's a little bit different. This one, you're going to take it and you're going to go in like this, just like that. And I use this glue here. It's the Art Getter Glue. Getter Good. And I had 2 doilies, so I guess I'll have to, let me do this one real quick. That's one thing that I've had trouble with, is I don't get my doily separated good enough because my hands don't work like they used to. I'm sure a lot of y'all can relate to that. As we get older, our hands are like, okay, I'm good. I've worked all my life and I just don't want to do it no more. All right, so remember that purple, if you use the purple, it'll go away. So we're gonna put a little bit of Art Glitter Glue right here. If I can get it to come out. Yep, there we go. When you know, when I'm on video, it doesn't want to work. So, just get that little piece out of there. There we go. All right, now it'll work. Now put your little glue on there. There you go. And bring this over like this, and bring this over like this, and down. Now, I came a little far over. Let me go out some. There we go. All right, now. Kind of looks like a napkin, one of those folded napkins at the fancy restaurants. The kind of restaurants I never go to. Just give me a good old Applebee's and I'm happy. All right, so glue that there, and then you bring this bottom pocket up, and you're gonna do it like that. So you put your glue just on the edges and around this edge, just on the edges. You don't want to go any higher than that because you don't want it to interfere with your pocket. So then you bring it up, just like that, and smush it down. There we go. And there's that pocket. So we've got, I'm gonna put my lids back on my glue. There we go. Okay, so we got this pocket and we got this pocket, and that's all there is to it. It's really easy. And I even made a teeny tiny one that I put on the page, I believe, with I put a little yellow button there, and it was just teeny tiny. So what I did was I just used I used this size doily, and I glued a book page, you know, just a regular book page. I glued a book page to the back of it, and I made it just like this one, and it came out adorable. Alrighty, that's it. Thank you.